a rupture of faith in the state. Many here in Assam see the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill as a clear message from the Hindu nationalist government that they are second-class citizens.
The government, what are they doing? They're trying to make us minority in our own very state, in our own very religion, by giving citizenship to Bangladeshis.
The new law would allow non-Muslim religious minorities from neighboring countries, like Bangladesh, to claim Indian nationality. A campaign promise delivered by Prime Minister Modi's BJP government, which denies the measure discriminates against any group.
This bill will not harm, even a little bit, any minority, especially our Muslim brothers and sisters who live in this country. Because this bill only gives citizenship, it doesn't take it away from anybody.
But critics say the law undermines India's secular constitution and is blatantly anti-Muslim.
In this bill, they are targeting a community without naming it. It violates the basic structure of the Constitution. It is divisive and exclusive. It will destabilize our polity, and 18 to 20 million people will not trust us.
In a tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed a landmark day for India and promised the bill would alleviate the suffering of many who faced persecution. But in Assam, the bill is another reason to distrust Modi's India. A recent citizenship registry exercise excluded 2 million people in Assam, who now have to prove their citizenship or be rendered stateless. Hindus left off the list now have protection, but not Muslims, who could face deportation.
Belaikena hambai Tripura khorang nai tong nai ta hukte bukuk sona sini channel tabu bonorok subscribe khlaya khong khang ken dak tino subscribe khlai di job ton se sekang video norok nugna bagai abon bagi ta ma khlai video ni tolaw norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasak khlai abona click khlai mani loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjaga na nukjaka a bell click khlai re kha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge no norok video nugana joton sai sekang nugana abone bagai belakeno hambai nai tongdi